Hey everyone, welcome to the MatMadik channel. These guys are just killing me. Maytree, this Acapella group. I'm going through their gaming Acapella arrangement catalog or playlist, if you will, and I'm just blown away that the Street Fighter, the Sega, the Animal Crossing songs, they knocked me out with humor. It was a nice arc as well. The Sonic was got me into hysterics. So I was crying with laughter. I, the song was beautiful, by the way, but it's just the faces they pulled just did me in. And then the Animal Crossing was nice and smooth in my opinion. It did get hilariously quirky as usual, but when it comes to clickbait, I guess quirky is currency. Anyway, but these guys are some masterpiece geniuses, I gotta say. Anyway, yeah. So that was the arc. Street Fighter, funny. Sonic hysterical, Animal Cross cool and quirky. So now we are coming into my fourth piece I'm going to react to, the Wii sound effect from them. And trigger warnings, I compare, I poke fun, and I pause. Even wonder. Anything else? Well, you know, maybe I can just try and tap into pick their brains a bit. What's their secret sauce? What accounts for the addictive quality factor of these guys? I haven't even checked the comments out under the video, which I ought to do. I imagine somewhere in South Korean, in Korean. Sorry, the country, not a language. But yeah, what's the reason behind these people's popularity? Is quirk the key, or I don't know, is the choice of music arrangements, let alone famous sound effects, the key, or is it just good publicity? Let me know, people. Let's just dig into what they're gonna do with the Wii sound effect. All right, here we go. Drop it, come on. Oi. Which of you, you know me, which of you thinks the lady on the right is quirkier? Or the lady on the left? No, they're equal. Anyways, keep going. But it's a beautiful sound. Oh, nice violin. They look like they're insane. But I mean, insane aside. But beautiful, like beautiful minds, you know. Oh, that was nice. The string section. I can't front. They got talent. Also, guys, listen. I just want to warn you. I've done these videos all before checking out even my first comment gotten for the first one of these reactions. So, all the stuff you told me, you would have told me in the comments as of who is who. If any of you can drop the names, I'd appreciate it. But when it comes to that, I wouldn't have learned from you yet and put it in my. Excuse me. I wouldn't have learned from you yet and put it in my. I wouldn't have learned from you guys yet and put it in the video to say, oh, I like this person and that person by name. I'll just have to call this person, that one, and the other. So I'm sorry about that. I'll respond to your comments after the fact, but let's just keep going. Staccato. Staccato. I'm very impressed. Close your eyes and listen, guys. You may just find yourself like you're playing you're in an act on the Wii. It's gorgeous. Now these guys are some masters, aren't they? See, you know you deal with a master when they can do funny and then come back to seriously skilled. Although funny is a form of skill, but sometimes what one thinks is an intended joke is just a quirk. But that sound they produce there, that's not to be messed with, man. I think the reason behind their success is just that they're that damn good. Let me know what you think, people. Catch you in the next one. Peace.